Bafana Bafana in the record books. It's match number 389. They played their first game, South Africa 1992.
Because of one mistake.
They played against Sudan was match number 388 in the 2021 AFCON qualifiers. It's been a great run over the years.
Bafana jersey on his back and loses the ball at a critical moment, and that creates this counter-attack. Earlier game, Namibia had a little bit of a sniff here.
You're looking at the experience of Libusa.
Right out of defense. Look how we push forward here.
Absolutely. We were expecting the fullbacks, and we're seeing Maela do exactly that. And he's done it almost in the entire first 45.
Penalty!
Penalty, some referees would have given it. In this instance, referees not buying it. But again, he's really been very impressive. Going forward, taking on players, making room for himself. And Maela believes he should have got that penalty.
But he's fallen.
Saka Kariba agona le sengwe se se itumedisang ka lone le ka wana le setlhopha sa gagwe sa Smekelan retsa fa lina la sone live ga gape Afrika Borwa simolla jana go loka jalo ta kontle le belaelo epe o tlhalosetsa re ga gona le toro ba tla go ibona a ifitlhelela ke go ipona tshamekela setlhopha sa Mamelodi Sundowns yo tlhalositse jalo gore Arbore kick it. Romela Kudi Obada. Oh! Baba Forza. Tagere lessentle go tlelepela loepe. No paletso jalo ke go Roma, go tshwanetse go re yeteng. Moragwedi. Di tlhopha ka bobedi di sra go phela Arbore. Go ile popota. Bola. Afrika Borwa badragatsa ba tsetse Afrika Borwa bo karolo ya tlhabotsa go ba luga sentle jack se tlhopha se tshwanetse thuba le morago last tlhopha
Namibia. Luther Singh breaking. There's he on the ball again. Luther Singh on the far right, and ball taken away from him. Defense of Namibia will be kept very busy today. It's also going back to his country, play for Chura, then eventually moving on to back Africa. Virgil Freeze coming out, punches the... He's the 2nd appearance for the national team. And Anes Kabat easily connected. Here they come now on the far side. Kemet Erasmus. Erasmus towards Maela. Maela for the South Africans, looking for Luther Singh in the penalty area. Tend his marker, Luther Singh. Who recovered? Luther Singh has the ball again. No data! Good defense from Namibia.
Yobo Fatima Tulani Kabo Bode Totama Afrika Borwa. Danoka Bitapi. Wetabeka Kotoko Yago Tokabore Toposa Namibia. Arbore Kiranka Nebo Carlo Yare Tilipora. Away Walabu Historia or Harine Bula Jeris. Yaspoti Likok. Kinikile Carolo. Arboreva, Zabetalo Setsa Copela, Pola Fatis Sinclair. Yago Jano Kalud Vendros, Kana Romeo, Kermati Ramos, Senyal Tomankobo Fati, Alona, the Brave Warriors.
To win one of their matches before coming to today's encounter, South Africa. Long ball played in, this one just goes wide, innocently going out. 1-2-1 against Mali in a friendly, then lost 2 against Ghana. In the third match against Sudan, they won by 1-0. Now they match number 4. Number 5 will be against Zambia this coming weekend before they play South Tome So far, if you look at his run in the previous matches that he has played for Bafana Bafana, 11. Here comes Gebhardt now for Namibia. Puts the ball away, ball collected by South Africa. Dolly isolated, but Dolly does hold on. Dolly still going forward. Yes, Dolly taking on his marker this time again against Gebhardt. Dolly does well, beating Gebhardt into the penalty area. Ball played in. Oh, just ahead. And that would have been a huge thing for South Africa, because this is how they created a chance not so long ago. King Dolly laying the ball into Nota's path. And then Luga Singh. And by the time he made his decision, it was a second too late. They might just be punished for that now. Kanulile! Oh, you but far from everything, including the far post. Have a look at this. Got the better of his marker this time around here. Tiban Pete.
Otswaka Peter Shaloile Bra Peter o simula o tshameko a shubetse wa go fetsa a shubetse re bone fa mona ba tshwaretse tsole kontle ya go bua jalo faka re bone Mvala ba tsabeka ko toka Africa bro ba tla bona sego fa e bo ke wa jalo gore Luda Vendros ga wa tlhapa diatla na tshwetso e senna ga wa 98 gana a tsa tshwetso ya go tlogela go ruta ya go nna ga fetoge a se bo tshabike go teng o tshwile ka la molema le la moja o ntse jalo bone kgwele popota fa bona Africa borwa oh baba tika sakeng mona ba etsa le kakala o ba dirile ba tshitse kontle le phelelo epe gore go no dira gala mfono fa ga kitsi gore Abubakar Mubarona na ganne mfa ga kitsi re pwetsa be ka bo phenya le bale go tsoka Vitapi thulela go pele a re bone ba tena go bona matshitsi bona One Bafana Bafana, one the brave warriors.
Corner kick now. Keegan Dolly for Bafana Bafana. The brave warriors have shown the bravery in the second half and have found the back of the net. How will South Africa respond? Keegan Dolly. Take the ball shot. A live steal away by Namibia.
Jalo gore Namibia mo di palo tsa FIFA kana botho tla re FIFA rank Mayela amore eno ba kopile ba ka sentle jado ba tsabe ka kopile jado ba kopile Namibia monna ba ro la kakala go fitela ga jara one Africa borwa me pela ga fo bo matshitsi matsetele ba etsa le kakala Ricardo Gods wow Molte contre le plano epe Molte contre le plano epe Ricardo Gods ona mobili ko kotenye kakala aba latela ke letsogo le go wankalone matshitsi matsetseleko.
I have to say things have changed a lot for the Namibians. 60-40. Tell you what, they've seen more of that. Let's see now, South Africa looking to try and find a goal here. And Luther was first before joining Sundowns. He scored 16 league goals, 3 cup goals, total of 19 goals this past season. What a year that was for him. Oh, trying to go for the spectacular first one on draw. See this movie of South Africa. Dolly, laying the ball shot. Here comes Mukwena into the penalty area. Ball paid in, cleared out was Hingo, who scored the equalizing goal. Lyle Foster. Foster's ball in. Chance in for Dolly. What a word. Lost out an opportunity, Keegan Dolly. If he for Gordy and Mdoli. Doing well, Lyle Foster here in his debut for South Africa as well, Lyle Foster. And the keeper coming out and blocking the ball. Pass was there. He should have gone for first time shot on. Maybe try to play on players coming now. Luther Singh. Still Luther Singh for South Africa. Eight ball shot to Dolly. Dolly still going.
Africa borwa se sa go batsia mo mathateng bona ba gona mtharabologela go morago a ye gope ona ba tsale khakala tshabeka go thoko ya go tswa tsano ka Luther Singh a re bone re tsa na robotsa go kotenye khakala e be gana be la tsola khole be ya go rata nyore ba tshabeka go thoko go service the box abayetse beka ile khutshwane Arbone kicks. Arbone Bafana. Oh, somebody goes to Sundowns. Bafana Bafana.